This is a 2002 Honda Civic EX, 76,000 miles. Very good condition, rust-free, perfect student vehicle. Very good condition for its age. No door dings, no hail damage. Tires are in good condition. This car needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Moonroof. No rips or tears or stains or wear marks on the seats. Aftermarket Kenwood radio, 76,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, moonroof. Never smoked in. So this is a 2002 Honda Civic EX sedan, 76,000 miles, in remarkable condition for its age. Needs nothing.